If you're watching this, it's because you're awesome, and you're about to learn something that makes you even more awesome. People, this story all started when I was at 35,000 worth of inventory on my eBay store, and I was wanting to push up to 75,000, which I got to 74,000 something. I've got 59,000 on here now, and I was hoping for a lot more increase in sales than I actually got. So it's kind of a lesson in not giving up. You know, I was at $1,500, $2,000 a month in sales. So most channels will wait until their sales up over. I went from 2,000 a month up to 10,000 a month, and look, now you just do what I did, and you can make 10,000. No. Unfortunately, this is not one of those stories. You can see the sales are only 451 right now, and that is not even as bad as it got. It even got worse than that. It was down to, until today, it was down to 300 and something for the last 31 days. And then I know it says 4 here, but I actually only have 3 things to ship today. The 4th one is just a glitch. It's been on there for a while. But so 3 sales that brought this number up a little bit. Like I said, it was only 300 and some change for the last 31 days. Even despite the fact that I have still $59,000 worth of inventory on there. So yeah, it did go up for a little while, and then it just came crashing down. Just crushing amount of slow sales. And, you know, most people would give up. And I felt like giving up. But like I said, you've got to learn to persevere some months like this in any business that you do. Any business endeavor that you do, you're going to have some bad days, you're going to have some bad weeks, and then sometimes you're going to have a whole month that's bad. And this is bad. This is bad, people. You know, it's bad. It's crushing. I went through a marathon of listing to double the amount that I had listed on there, and it did help for a little while, and then it went crashing down. And in order to get it to come up from 300 and something, what I did was I did a 20% store-wide sale and put everything that I have on here, the whole actually that's why it went down from 74,000 to only 59,000, because everything's 20% off right now. And so that dropped the value of 74,000 down to just below 60,000. So if it wasn't at 20% off right now, it would still say 70 something thousand, because, you know, I sold less than $5,000 worth of stuff since I got up to the 75,000 mark. And then in the last 30 days, I only sold 300 and something, and, you know, $100 of that I sold today. So things are looking up a little bit today. I guess is where I got some of where I got the motivation to make a video. I didn't want to make any eBay videos for the last month, because I mean it's depressing. It's terrible. And I'm sure you guys go through this too sometimes with your eBay stores, or your Poshmark store, or your Amazon store, or any of the other stores that you may have. And if you do, then put something in the comments, share. You know, that's one of the things that you can do during times like this when you're going through hard times with your store and stuff is, you know, share the experience and see how many other people are having the same experience, and know that you're not alone. If you're going through this or have gone through this, then, you know, say something in the comments. You're not alone. You know, even with as much inventory and stuff as I have, you can see proof right here going through it. I got these few parts right here, these 2, and the one that I've already boxed up is the only thing I have to ship today. That's it. That's all the sales I have. So, you know, it happens. It happens to the best of us. That few sales, despite the fact that every bit of this is listed, all of that's listed, all of that is listed. You know, the drum that's in that box came out of this row right here. All of these are listed. All of these are listed. Well, it's hard to see those. It's dark down there. All of these are listed. All of that is listed. All of these are listed. All of these are listed. And all these boxes are waiting to be listed, which is kind of hard to do when you've got all that other stuff listed and you only sell 4 parts. But I got to force myself to do it. I mean, I could double the amount that I have listed just by doing these boxes alone. All of these are listed. I doubled the amount of these kits that are listed, and I sold over $1,000 worth of these last month alone. But this month it's just crickets. It's just crickets. You can see where I'm taking the photos of listing more and more of them. And there's tens of thousands of these in these boxes, and they were selling, but now just nothing. And there's rows of these too, and the month before last 2 of these sold, and they're a couple $100s a piece, so that was about $400 of my month before last sales, and they're just not moving right now. This tractor trailer is full of inventory. I haven't even started listing yet. And I have another tractor trailer that I've bought. I haven't even started on. It's not even here yet. It's going to be delivered soon. So I'm going to continue with my 20% off sale. I'm going to add some more inventory, and I'm going to get it out of this slump. I'm going to pull this eBay store out of the ditch. And when I've got some better news, I'll make another video and update you guys. Till then, share your stories in the comments. Let us know how you're doing. And wishing all our hashtag insane friends, hashtag insane growth.
Hi, we're so glad you're here at Sane Enterprises.
This is Carol Sane.
And this is Victor Sane. Isn't he adorable? We're here to help you and the rest of the Sane community grow.
And we're going to have fun helping you celebrate your victories with the whole community.
Woohoo!
I guess by now you've noticed, we're not just another average self-improvement channel.
We're a community.
And how do they join this community?
That's easy. There's this red button right there.
And then what happens?
It turns green. Oh, and they gotta hit the bell. Don't forget, they gotta hit the bell.
Before you go,
Hit that bell.
ding, ding, ding.